Manually highlighting rows in Excel wastes time and creates errors. Today, you will learn how to use conditional formatting to autocolor your data instantly. Welcome back to Systematic Sheet 7. First, select your entire dataset but leave out the header row. Head up to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting and select New Rule from the drop-down menu. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the bar, type equals, click cell D2 and remove the second dollar sign so it reads is equal to $D2. Now type is equal to inverted commas open bonus inverted commas close. This locks are checked to column D. Now click Format, head to the Fill tab and pick a soft green color. Hit OK, then OK again. Excel instantly tracks your dynamic text and colors only the rows that earns a bonus. Your dashboard is now functional, visual, and entirely automated. If this systematic setup upgraded your skill, hit that like button, subscribe to the Systematic Sheet 7 channel, and I'll see you in our next build.